Okay, good morning everyone. In the previous class we have already studied about complementary angles, supplementary angles, adjacent angles and linear pair. We all already know about acute angle, obtuse angle, reflex angle, right angle, straight angle. Okay, so now we will move on to the next topic, that is vertically opposite angles. When two lines intersect with each other, intersecting lines we have already studied in our previous class. When two lines intersect with each other, the vertically opposite angles are formed, and the vertically opposite angles so formed are always equal. Okay, so we can see when two lines are intersecting. These are the two lines. Let us take one of them is L and other is M. So they are saying that whenever two lines intersect at any point, so there are angles formed. This is the angle, this is the angle, this one is the angle, and this one is the angle. So we can name them as 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is the property that the angles formed on intersection of two lines at the point the vertically opposite angles are formed. See, 1 is vertically opposite to 3. 1 is vertically opposite to 3. So the pair of vertically opposite angles is angle 1 and angle 3. So they are always equal. Whenever two lines will intersect, the vertically opposite angles will always be equal. Angle 1 will always be equal to angle just opposite to it. That is, in this case, this is 3. So angle 1 is equals to angle 3. Angle 2 is equals to angle 4. Okay, angle 4. So these are the two pairs of vertically opposite angles formed on the intersection of two lines, which are L and M in this case. Okay, we'll take one more examples to try and understand this vertically opposite angles topic. So I'll draw the diagram. This is first line, this is the second line. So these two lines are intersecting, right? And here is a third line. This is a straight line. Okay, this is this intersection point O. This is line AB, this is line CD, and this point over here is E, means this line is OE. So in this figure we have to identify, this will be a coverage of all the things which we have studied in our previous class also. So we have to identify two pairs of vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles, we have to find two pairs. So as we can see, line CD, right, CD is intersecting line AB at point O. There are no more intersecting lines over here. Okay, so